Hi everyone, this is Sarah at Health by Sarah. Today I'm showing you what I got this week for groceries. I spent close to $92 and I will explain why it was a little more this week. So here's the majority of what I got. The one thing not pictured are plantain chips. I decided to get a bag of plantain chips cooked in coconut oil and sea salt. Because my daughter and I were hungry at the store and we wanted a little snack on the way home. So first I got 3 bags of organic frozen spinach, 2 bags of organic broccoli. I of course got our 2 gallons of raw grass-fed whole milk. My stomach has been feeling really bad lately. I think I may have caused it. Been following Real Girls Eat Fat on Instagram, and she's talking about how seed oils are just very inflammatory. And I already knew that, of course, but she's been reading Ray Peat's research, and he talks about how they are the most inflammatory fats. And she completely cut out nuts and seeds in her diet for the month of September. And she was able to lose like 4 pounds. That wasn't the only thing she did, but that was like the only change that she made. And she already just eats all saturated fat as her fats. And then just essentially a carnivore diet is what she's on now. And she has been able to lose all of her baby weight. And it wasn't like to go on a diet. It was really to just give her digestion a rest. And so I don't know if I'll necessarily do that myself, but I am trying to cut out more inflammatory things like that. And she said she soaked and sprouted her seeds just like I do too. I didn't sprout sesame seeds like I was eating the past month, but I do soak all of my nuts and seeds that I eat, with the exception, as I said, with sesame seeds. It's just too small. But I have been eating a lot of sesame seeds lately, and I just wonder if that's what caused my problems, especially because it expired back in January. So that was 9 months ago almost, and I have been eating a lot of them over the past month. So I just wonder if that is what has been causing my stomach problems. That being said, that's why I grabbed some more expensive things this week, like this organic grass-fed kefir, and I grabbed these 3 things of kombucha, this big bottle of kombucha. I grabbed this other one because on it said that there are billions of probiotics in here. And I just wanted some variety of probiotics, of good bacteria in my gut, because it's really important to get variety in your gut to build a good, healthy gut environment. So that's why I got a different kind where it says billions. And then this one is June kombucha. The difference between kombucha and June is kombucha, essentially you're making sweet tea, and you make it with white sugar, organic sugar preferably. And the only difference is that June, it has a different culture than the kombucha, and you make it with honey instead of sugar. So it's more expensive, and I normally wouldn't have gotten this because of the price, but again, I just wanted variety in my gut, and I just want to feel better. So I also got some pasture-raised eggs. I wanted to go to my regular farmer to get eggs from her, but she wasn't there when I went there. So I had to get some. This is all from Sprouts with the exception of our milk, but everything else. And then I got Organic Valley butter. So that's 8 sticks of butter here. I guess 2 pounds of butter. We just go through a lot of butter, and I like this better than Kerrygold because it's organic and it's cultured and it's actually local. If you know anything about Organic Valley, they actually source it from local cows in your area, so that's even better. And then I got some organic rainbow fingerling potatoes and some organic onions. And the reason you haven't been seeing as much variety of foods in my videos, like maybe more vegetables or meat, I mentioned this in a previous video. We actually have a lot of meat in our freezer from a half pig that we bought last year, and I also got some grass-fed meat recently from Earth Fare from having some sales. So that was before I started doing these videos, and so I'm just kind of trying to clean out our freezer and our stores, and I still had vegetables in our freezer before, or in our refrigerator, and I was just trying to clean out that and our pantry and maybe eat less plant foods. That's a novel idea, because I've been thinking about this, following Real Girls Eat Fat, and what she's been doing makes a lot of sense, because plant foods can be hard on your digestion, and the seed oils especially can cause inflammation, and that may cause you to hold on to weight or to gain weight. And as I said, my stomach has just been feeling terrible lately, and I started to make it feel better by eating this kefir and these kombuchas, and also some homemade sauerkraut. So I think that's been making a difference. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I post. Until next time, bye.